Sue, what you got
Hi,
for us?
hi. How are you?
Oh, and you're in your new room.
I'm in my bedroom. Yes.
Oh
Yeah,
no.
they're moving a bed in through the house right now, so
Yeah.
you can stay in here with me. But anyways, we're going to talk about something that we never talk about, and that's going to be. Oh,
Oh no, your voice is
Losing you.
Mute Joe Gibson.
Big time echo.
Mute Joe Gibson.
that's weird. But anyways, uh, we're going to talk about drill presses. Now I've got a floor standing. A lot of people have desks, uh, count, counter sitting. Uh, but a lot of us also drill on our lathes, and that's so convenient because with the bigger bits and the Forstner bits, we can slow the lathes way down. But a lot of folks forget that you're going to be drilling on your drill press to do the same. And mine's got 6 pulleys in there. It's the old-fashioned kind. Nothing's automatic, but you need to know when to check your belts to make sure they're safe, and you need to know how to put the belts on so it doesn't run at 10,000 RPMs instead of 700 RPMs. And if you're not sure, just play with it. Also, keep everything in good running condition. You know, a lot of it is cast iron. Make sure that, you clean the cast iron. When I got this was a used drill press, and uh, the pedestal was all rusty, and the zipper type thing that you your table goes up and down on, that was disconnected and all that. So yeah, look at your drill press, see what needs to be done, and fix it so that it runs optimally, and be safe out there. I also, we have, make yourself a fence for that drill press. Make make it so that you can have hold downs to hold your pieces secure, so that when you start drilling, in case you start drilling fast, it doesn't fly off and hit your garage door or hit you in the head. So also, if you can, use, and you're doing dry wood, for heaven's sakes, make sure you have your safety glasses on, your respirator on, and if you can do dust control with it, do that too. Remember, it's all wood, folks, and we don't need that in our lungs, in our eyes, or anyplace else. So take care. Be careful this week. And remember, it's not just the lathe we use other objects as well. Take care. See you next
Thank you,
Wednesday.
Sue.
good
You're welcome.
advice, Sue. Thank you.